That's pretty good. Just make sure when you try to side smash and stuff, just make sure
I can
you
never
like throw your hip really into it.
Cause I always get stuck when I'm in like a reverse. Right?
Yeah. A lot of times you put it here, and then you kind of like slowly try to do this, but then you leave a lot of space. Like that. You gotta really hit and low. So my hips like all the way in there.
That's one.
Woo. Yeah, you can commit to it, and then let's see. I think, oh, I wouldn't cross for the mount. I don't like it.
It's here?
Yeah, it's right there. It's like when you cross, like it's hard to escape, you know? From like this is just like buying time.
Right.
Compared to like here, can really block the hips and stuff. Compared to up here, right? Then you come up all the way.
And, like, and then if I cross here, isn't it like my elbows are naturally elevated? Right?
Yeah. Yeah, because this one's gonna be higher, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's up top, right?
That's why you're just like.
Yeah. That's why I was like, I forgot I'll do that.
Yeah.
But yeah, from here, like you can't.
Gotcha.
I mean, of course, for like a self-defense point, you know, you'd probably be like here or whatever, right? But you know, a lot of times you'll just knock it down, right? And then just have to shift down because
you're too high like this, right?
yeah. Because from here, you can't really do shit. Here's just kind of like I'm chilling, right?
I should at least stay on my side.
Yeah. Well, I mean, I wouldn't chill on my side either from here, right? Because then you get to your back. So I mean, this is good. The best thing you can do, lay on your back. But then you want to be able to like make space in your hips and your knees and stuff. Yeah, because once it's here, that's kind of fucked up. But if I put it here, so like even if I'm like, oh, I can't make it, but if they're not all the way up, I can just scoop it into it. I guess.